We're never going to stop exploring the unknown, whether it's in air, space, or beyond. And Voyager 1 is the ultimate symbol of that ambition. Launched in 1977, few imagined it would still be alive over 45 years later, drifting silently in the void between stars. But now, something strange has happened. Voyager 1 has sent back a signal, a cryptic stream of ones and zeros, originating from deep within the interstellar medium. Even more unsettling? The signal seems to be linked to an unknown star. NASA is concerned. The probe's health is now uncertain, and its ability to communicate might be slipping away. Could this signal be a cosmic accident? A malfunction? Or is something else at work? Voyager 1 wasn't designed for this kind of journey. It was hastily built during the 1970s space race, alongside its twin Voyager 2, and originally tasked with flybys of Jupiter and Saturn. But both probes far exceeded expectations, continuing beyond the solar system's outer edges into true interstellar space, a region no spacecraft had ever reached. For over 12 years, Voyager 1 has been sailing through this unexplored frontier, transmitting invaluable data. It takes more than 22 hours for a single message to reach Earth, yet it has remained responsive. That is, until late 2023, when something changed. Voyager 1 suddenly sent an indecipherable message, a binary transmission no one at NASA could initially understand. This wasn't its first strange behavior. After crossing into the interstellar medium, Voyager detected something baffling. A plasma stream where none should exist. Normally, in the space between stars, scientists expect just a single particle per cc. But Voyager measured far more, and on one occasion, it observed a burst of plasma that appeared to be flowing. Some experts thought the instrument had failed. Others suggested the burst came from a stellar flare. But solar flares from our Sun don't extend beyond the heliosphere, the bubble of solar wind that surrounds our solar system. This boundary ends at about 100 astronomical units from the Sun, or 15 billion kilometers. Beyond that, solar activity fades. If this plasma stream really came from another star, like Proxima Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor, it would have had to travel over 4 light-years. Current models suggest that's impossible. Plasma should dissipate long before covering such a distance in the sparse interstellar medium. So what caused the anomaly? Was it a nearby star we haven't identified? Or could it be something else entirely, perhaps an exotic energy field, or a cosmic phenomenon we don't yet understand? Then, in 2021, another disturbing event occurred. Voyager 1 began sending back telemetry data that didn't make sense. NASA initially thought the spacecraft had lost its orientation and was tumbling in space. Weeks of analysis revealed the true cause, a glitch in its attitude articulation system. A reset fixed the problem, and the mission continued. But the 2023 incident was different. The ones and zeros Voyager sent turned out to be a memory dump, a copy of its internal logs. That meant the spacecraft was still active, still trying to communicate. But it could no longer transmit scientific data. Something had gone wrong with its control system, the part of Voyager responsible for interpreting and relaying information. NASA engineers have tried to fix the problem remotely, but so far, no solution has worked. And now, they fear the issue may be permanent. If so, Voyager 1's mission has entered its final phase. It can still drift, but not speak. Despite its silence, Voyager 1 remains one of humanity's greatest achievements. It carries the golden record, a copper phonograph disc etched with music, greetings in 55 languages, and the sounds of Earth. A message in a bottle tossed into the cosmic sea, in hopes that someone, or something, will one day find it. Few remember just how risky Voyager's mission was. To reach Jupiter, it had to pass through the asteroid belt, then thought to be a dangerous gauntlet. NASA wasn't sure it would survive. But it did, and in March 1979, Voyager 1 arrived at Jupiter, capturing breathtaking images of its stormy atmosphere and massive moons. It was Voyager 1 that revealed Io's active volcanoes, erupting plumes of sulfur that reached hundreds of kilometers into space, the first evidence of geological activity beyond Earth. From there, Voyager 1 headed to Saturn, arriving in 1980. It gave us the first close-up views of the planet's majestic rings and studied its mysterious moon, Titan. Then, its course diverged. While Voyager 2 continued on to Uranus and Neptune, Voyager 1 ascended out of the plane of the Solar System, toward the stars. In 1990, on Carl Sagan's suggestion, it turned back and captured the iconic image of Earth from 6 billion kilometers away, a faint blue dot suspended in a sunbeam. That photograph became one of the most profound symbols of humanity's place in the cosmos. Then, in 2012, Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space. For over a decade, it has been traveling farther and farther away, out of the sun's reach and into the galaxy itself. And now, as its systems begin to fail, its voice grows fainter. But the mission isn't truly over. Voyager 1 will continue its silent journey for thousands, possibly millions, of years. Long after we're gone, it may still be drifting among the stars, carrying the story of Earth. Even if it can no longer speak to us, it still carries our voice.